my name is Anna Cazares. I'm one of the bilingual educators in Children's Museum Houston, and today we're going to be making an activity called Caterpillar Patterns, and the activity is a caterpillar pattern hat. You will be needing a caterpillar face, some circles with different colors to make your pattern, and some construction strips so that it'll be your headband to connect your pattern, and some scissors, and a stapler. So what you will be doing first is cutting out your caterpillar face. And you will be putting the different types of patterns that you want, however you like, onto your headband strip. You're going to pick two, and you're going to staple them to the size of your caterpillar face and make a pattern, just as I did on mine. And that is how you have a caterpillar pattern hat. We're going to be stapling the pattern onto your hat. I hope you enjoyed this activity. I'll see y'all next time.